The market may be pretty volatile on the opening here, depending on that news. I'm watching for something here. In fact, Dow futures were up 150 points about an hour and a half ago. They're now down. I know Kramer came out a little while ago and said, "No, James, you can't be an NTAP oh yeah, you're in at 60. Excuse me." Yeah, and some people did get in at 58, and I'll get that up on the board there. I know Kramer came out and said he doesn't expect this deal to be all that it's cracked up to be, so we'll see what happens. Ralph, what do you mean you're in TLT at 33? That doesn't make much sense to me. I don't know why you would have sold that at 33 cents. That's 25% basically less than we were trying to sell it for. Okay, now they're saying that this press conference is being delayed by half an hour.